Hey, let's see how I make chicken vegetable salad. Let's start. We need 1½ tablespoon fresh lime with 1 tablespoon brown sugar and soya sauce. Mix it well. Add ½ teaspoon vinegar. Keep mixing. Add this mixture in 1 small slice garlic and green chili. Do let us know from which country you are watching us. Now add half lettuce and bowl along with half sliced onion, 1 small tomato, and finally, fried or grilled chicken. Wow, it's going to be really tasty and healthy. Let us know in comment section which salad you like most. Add pinch of salt and black pepper. Don't forget to subscribe. Ek nayi recipe.